In today's video, I go through 3 different video layout modes that aim to vastly improve your video experience with your students. The first video layout mode is called Grid Mode, which you can see me on full screen right now. The second video mode is called Video Sidebar, and the third video mode is called Floating Videos. These 3 modes can be toggled at any time and on any tab. So let's get into the tutorial. Starting from the top, in your space, we can choose a video grid layout, which arranges every video in the space into a full screen, focused grid layout for emphasis on everyone in the space. Every new person that joins the space will automatically append to this layout if it is enabled. Next, we have Video Sidebar mode, which arranges each video neatly as an anchored bar to the right of the screen. This cleans up all your workspace while still allowing you to focus on your work. When the bar is filled, you can simply scroll to see more videos. The third video mode is Floating Videos, which gives you the control and allows you to drag and drop any video on your space and resize them to your liking. Your arrangement is up to you. Finally, let me show you Presenter mode. On any of the video layout modes, you can double-click yours or anyone else's video stream to enter Presenter mode, anchoring everyone's video into Sidebar mode and placing the video you chose as the main focus, covering most of the screen. This can be very useful if you want to stay in sidebar mode but maximize someone who is sharing their screen. And if you're a leader, everything you do, your student can actually see. If you enter presenter mode, for example, your students will see the same video stream in presenting mode as well on their side. Or if you want your student to maintain focus on everyone's video, you can enter video grid mode and your student will automatically switch to that mode as well. Leader mode control works with all 3 video layouts. And that's it for video layout modes. We hope that this tutorial has been helpful, and be sure to check out our other video tutorials if you have the time.